Hello viewers, today we'll show you something interesting healthy breakfast or dinner South Indian recipe, that is curry leaves dosa. This recipe suits for weight loss, good for diabetics, treating constipation problem, relieves morning sickness, hair fall, good for eyesight. Come on, we'll start with the ingredients. 1 cup of raw rice. To this add another cup of idli rice. 1:1 ratio. Now mix together, rinse with water for twice. Allow to soak them in water for minimum 5 hours. To this add 1 tablespoon of full urud dal. Rinse it well and add some more water and allow to soak it. And keep this aside. After 5 hours, we can transfer in blending jar or grinder to bring this into batter consistency. Now the main ingredients for this recipe is 2 cup of fresh curry leaves, 1 tablespoon coconut chopped, 8 to 10 red chili, a very small size of ginger, 2 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Now mix everything well and make it as a paste. Transfer to the batter. Now our batter is ready right now. Add rock salt as per taste. Mix it well and allow to ferment. Now by adding some more water, bring it to dosa consistency. In very hot tawa, spread the batter for dosa in thin or thick consistency as per your style. Pour some oil and allow to cook. After 2 minutes, flip the dosa and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Transfer to the plate, serve with coconut chutney or any other chutney varieties or sambar. So that's it. Our curry leaves dosa is ready. Like, share, subscribe my channel Kala Style. See you soon